For CIL, we know so many of our students are really craving that in-person connection. And so we design a lot of our experiences with that exact goal in mind.
As a remote student, it's very challenging to get those kind of interactions with your fellow students. It was exciting to see that Cary had a place where students could come together and to build in-person relationships.
To be able to see people face to face and participate in interactive activities together, you really feel connected.
It is one of those experiences that really can change the trajectory of your business school education.
We have really intense, oftentimes unusual, in-person courses that we offer through the center.
The Fellows program kicks off with a week-long in-person course where the students get to build the connections that you continue to grow throughout the year.
We have leadership treks to various cities to meet with several industry leaders and experts in their own right.
We have our leadership development expeditions, which are global expeditions into the wilderness.
The expeditions are great because they allow us to connect with fellow students in an environment that just can't be replicated in a classroom.
All of them are available for students who are attending in person or who are completing their program online as well.
It's evident that the faculty puts a lot of effort into creating an environment for us to be able to interact in person, to challenge us.
Being able to come together for an intensive experience in person, we hope gives students a community that they can lean on throughout their experience at the Cary Business School.
As a remote student, being affiliated with CIL has really made me feel like I'm a part of the school in a way that I hadn't previously.
And it allowed me to build that community that is very important in grad school and for my network in the future.